We live, baby. We live once again. It's a new start of the week. How's everyone doing today? Let's get this thing going. S&P 500 futures. We're looking at the 2000 tick chart, 21-day EMA, pure price action. Let's get this day started. How we all doing? Bill, my man, good to see you. Good to see you. Grandpa Roger, Rev. I honestly might take this second entry short. A little too stacked, But let's see where we're at. We're right near the highs of Friday. We do have some news in about 30 minutes. I'm not convinced that we're going to really come back and test the highs of the day just yet. I mean, it looks like a range. We're having a ton of support here. But it might just be a double trap. Could have two legs down. Let's see. We'll just be patient and see what setups happen. How's everyone's weekend? How was everyone's weekend? Yo, Navo. You have a good weekend, Navo? I don't think anyone else had a good weekend. Solid weekend. Nice. Good to hear. I'm chilling. I'm always doing good. I'm making every day the best it can be. Always. Every day. All good, Bill. All good. I'm glad to hear you had a good weekend as well. Start of the trading week. So excited for that as well. It's always exciting starting a new week. Starting back fresh. What happened last week? It doesn't matter. Always gotta just take every day as a new fresh start. Andrew Wade. How long did it take me to become profitable? I mean, so it took me the first year or so. I was losing money. Started making it back after a little over a year. And then in total probably like between a year and a half to be like a year and a half to be consistent, really. Thank God it's Monday. I've never heard that. Unless you love trading so much. In that case, thank God it's Monday. Alright, let's see if we're just ranging. Could just be at the midline of the day. But the reason I don't think this range is valid, I mean, we're definitely going to break out at some point because it's only like a 13-point swing between the high and low. So it really, I mean, it really could go either way. We traded up a lot the past 2 days. But the daily, we almost hit 4,200. So who knows where we are headed, really. It's going to be an interesting turning point if we do turn here and then start going lower, or if we just break out and trap a lot of short sellers. Greg, good morning. Okay, but nothing crazy. Probably trying to come back to the 4,200 level. So who knows, if we break out, could have another up day. If we get rejected, could have a strong sell-off. Who knows? We'll just play the price action. Go with the flow of the market. Go with the direction it tells us to go. Yeah, so slowly creeping up. 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 Eastern. We do have a news announcement. ISM manufacturing. So something to keep in mind. That it could be a little slow movement until we do get to that level. Good morning from Alberta. Showing gratitude for the like button. All right, man, you gotta keep it up every day. I want to hear a new one every day, every single day. See where the creativity is at. Every day, no pressure. Oh, you always want the pressure though. You always want the pressure. James Sarkor, how you doing? How you doing? Evzen, pressure is what makes greatness. Like Stephen Curry yesterday with that 50-point performance in Game 7. That pressure. He responded to the pressure and excelled. He was up to the task. Hey, but a little low volume. A little lower volume than the past couple days. Past couple days were really solid days in terms of the price action and just the setups and the volatility. The volatility was there before the past few days. It was a slow grind, snail of a little market, but who knows if this afternoon will be some better trading. We'll see. But I'm not gonna jump the gun on any trade until we come back or come up to this 4,200 level, or really just 41.95. But definitely a psychological key level at the 4,200s. But it's interesting. So, I mean, here, there's definitely the expectation that we're gonna come back, test 41.94, 41.95. But we're kind of in no man's land. We're 21 EMA is down here. Prices are in the middle of these two spots. I mean, if you wanted to, you could just buy here around 41.90, ride it up to 41.94, get 4 points if we're going there. But always better to wait for that pullback. We might just have one leg up, two legs up, then reverse here. Who knows? Who knows? But my guess is that we're gonna trade higher in the short term. Come back, at least test 41.94. And here we are pushing higher. So that's why in some instances I'm like, man, I just want to take that trade. I mean, it's not a bad trade, but it's a little more risky because we're far away from the EMA. But we are trying to make that new high, as expected. So we'll see what happens. All right, Rev. Last week was so good. Well, Rev, I thought you traded forex only. Do you use a prop firm? Let me know. Let me know. FTMO. Oh, okay, okay. Got it. Yep. High impact news in 13 minutes. Yeah, I got you. I got you. But if you're gonna be watching the charts and you see a good setup, might as well jump in on it. Might as well. If you're confident. Which I'm sure you are. So yeah, looking back, now I'm like, man, I should have just taken this long. Always easy to go back and say that, but according to the rules I trade with, I stay away from trades that are kind of hovering above the EMA in that sense. Ten minutes till the news. 10 minutes until some excitement. I hope some excitement. All right, now we're trying to go down. We're trying to go down. Whether we will continue remains to be seen. Alright, so nothing too interesting. It's like watching paint dry at this point. But hopefully, hopefully when the news hits, we'll get some better price action. February 2nd, previous high was around 42.08. I mean, yeah, we could definitely just bounce at any point. 4200, 4205. We're trying to get to the high of February 14th. That's 4220. February 2nd. I think February 2nd was like 4240. 4242. But even all the way back to 9/13, September 13th, that high was 4240. So we might, I mean, who knows, if we do trade a good bit, that might be the target, around 4240. But obviously, first of all, we have to at least trade above 4200, but we're not even there yet. Come on now, come on now. Four minutes left, 4 minutes to go. What's gonna happen? Let me know in the chat. Are we gonna go down, test the lows of the day, or are we gonna rock it up? 4240. Who knows? But I want to see your guys' guesses. Okay, about 3 minutes to the news. Poll? Alright. I feel like it's kind of early for a poll, but let's do it. Let's do it. Part of me thinks we'll spike up, taking out shorts, trying to pick a top and flood down. Yeah, I don't know. Let's do a poll. Actually, no, yeah, we should do a poll before the news. I'll just say green day or red day. Oh, wait a second. Man, I can't, if I create a poll, I can't get rid of yes or no. Wow. Wow. It's only yes or no, and then I can add certain options. Let me see. Oh, actually, never mind. All right, poll has been made. Get your answers in before the news. Let's see how many people have the courage to take it. before the next 2 minutes. We got 5 votes, 6 votes. I want to see 24 votes. All right, we got 10 people. 10 people who had the balls to say green or red. See how many more can hop in. All right, 14. 16, 17. Got 1 more minute. Now there's about 30 seconds till the news. 30 seconds. Daily reminder to not trade news unless you're very aggressive. Actually, Rev, don't you have... Isn't that you with the one... with the one account that you only trade the news on? You buy below a certain level, or you sell below a certain level, buy above a certain level. Woo, there we go. Who's gonna win out? We shall see. That's your Vegas account. I like it. Gambling account. So no sports betting, no other kind of betting. Just betting on the market on top of the normal trading. You switch your vote to green, all right? Yeah, you're allowed to switch if you're a cheater. Well, does the poll actually let you switch or no? I don't think it does, right? All right, well, we know that you switch your vote, Andrew. I'll keep that in mind. That you wanted to cheat at least. All right, FZen. All right, you have someone to sell it to you though. FZen, and you can switch. You were in the middle of 2 trades, trading on the Moomoo exchange, the Moomoo Express. You need a market maker to fill your order though. So you got FZen to do it, so you're in luck. Hey, we're getting a second entry short here. New low, first entry short, second entry short. And it's also a failed second entry long coming from the highs. We went up once. It's our second attempt to go higher. If this is a valid range, we should be expecting to go down. Whew. Whew. Do we take this short? So close to the news. So we made that 5 ticks. If I'd entered 90.75, we went all the way down to 89.5. So once we make that, I don't like to enter. I don't know, Rev, you telling me that. Is TradingView right or is NinjaTrader right? But the ES is 20 points lower? That's weird. That's weird. Okay, we could be getting a double trap. Could be getting a double trap. So all the buyers who tried to go long right here, trying to trap sellers, could get trapped themselves. Double trap. First entry short, second entry short. That almost failed by going up. And if we quickly reverse down, it'll be that double trap. So the bar, I mean, we did trade down with the bar, but it's almost resembling a doji. Oh, you're looking at the SPY. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. We're living in a simulation and sometimes the numbers are off. You right. You right. Or are you? Or are you, Toad Man? Alright, we're just congested now. I mean, look at this. What is this? What is this? We need better price action than that. We need better price action than that. I want to see a breakout to the top that fails and then we can short up here. Otherwise, I'm not getting into this mess. This muck. All right, we got even worse movement after the news, man. What is up with that? Will we get some good setup? You're betting deeper into this range, big range. Okay, we're having that breakout to the top. We're having that breakout. Will we go down or will we go up? Yeah, Rev, what do you think of the tick chart versus the time charts? What do you like better? I mean, you know what? Let's pull up a time chart. So this is the 2000 tick chart. Let's switch it to the 2-minute chart. Yeah, I mean the 2-minute chart, it's like so much different. Got that damn chop. Yup. Choppity chop. Alright, this is the 2-minute chart. Straight green bars. Tough to really see anything. What if we take it to the 3-minute chart? I mean, yeah, it's kind of tough to do anything with that. Tick chart just gives you more detail. Alright, let's try the 1 minute. Okay, this is the 1 minute. 1 minute, a little more detail. 1 minute, a little more detail. Yeah. 1 minute is actually more similar to the 2000 tick right now because, yeah, it probably takes closer to 1 minute for each bar to close compared to 2 or 3 minutes. So yeah, 1 minute actually doesn't look bad. This is the 1 minute. This is the 2000 tick. 1 minute. A lot of stems. 2000 tick. So now the $1 million question. Do we bounce off this range? Go higher? Is it a breakout pullback? Or do we continue going lower? Honestly, to me, it seems like we're going to work higher. You know what I'm going to do? Let's see if we double this range. If it's really just we're trading in half of the range so far. It'll get us to 42.06. But Ivan's on the money when he says could go either way. Could go up, could go down. Nothing nothing too presentable right now. Nothing too convincing either direction. So here we're having a second entry short, new low, one leg up, first entry, another leg up, second entry. But nothing is really telling us that we're headed down for sure. Could be a nice short entry though. Because this bar is really the triple test, so really two tests here, obviously test in this area, third clear test, rejection bar, could be a lower high. You know what? Nah, but we're still above EMA. Yeah, exactly. We're just stuck between this level. And how now is the second entry short failure. So new low, we went up, first entry short, second entry short. All the people who sold, they're getting trapped. So now we should theoretically be working higher, trying to work to the highs of the day. Yeah, because you're definitely, yeah, exactly. You're definitely sweating if you took that triple test short here. So I think a lot of shorts are going to get trapped now. The ES chart broke and it's 10 minutes delayed. What are you talking about, man? What you talking about? So yeah, like I said, because I can predict the future, I have a crystal ball. We did make that new high instantly after I said it. So don't doubt me, alright? Just like you shouldn't ever doubt the Warriors that they're going to win the NBA championship. I'm calling it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Wait, what's W? I don't even know what WTB is. Want to buy? Yup. Steph's like a kid out there himself, running around, dribbling. He's like on a playground. Okay, but it does look like we had those two legs up from here. Almost, not quite actually. Not quite actually. But we did reach a new high of the day, so we might be time to start reversing. Unless we just keep trapping the short sellers. No, Lakers team is solid. It's gonna be a good series. I'm excited. LeBron versus Curry. This is gonna go down in history. They're both solid. It comes down to Anthony Davis. Can he perform? I feel like Draymond and Kevon Looney can body him. They just have something over him. But I think the key is if freaking Jordan Poole can step up and stop being so clumsy. Jordan Poole can play like he did last year. And when he's in there, just be aggressive but not out of control. I think they can be solid. All right. What's going on with this chart? Is it time to start trading lower? Do I just sell right here and ride it all the way to the lows of the day? I might just do that. Sell here. 41.96. 2-point risk. Let's say you sold 41.96, risked 2 points. And then target is like a 10-point target profit. 10 to 14 points. Not a bad trade if you're gonna swing trade like that. I don't know, Rev. Honestly, I've seen this structure a lot where we have this clear trend up, break. It looks like one leg up, 2 legs up. But really, this could be time where we start trading lower. Remember, I do have that crystal ball. I can predict the future. So remember that. But we're having some movement that's trying to prove me wrong, but we'll see what happens after this bar. Honestly, I think we're going down. Ever been to an antique store? Why are you asking me that? Why are you asking me that, man? Probably. Not one that I remember too well. But yeah, I've been to plenty in my life. It's a good way to get cursed. Why do you think that? So yeah, as I predicted, because I'm always right, we're going lower now. I'm using rhythmic. Benji. And I'm trading on Ninja Trader, the platform. So man, I called this. I said if you sold right here, 41.96, you can ride it. Really for about 10 to 14 points. Risk 2 points. Not a bad trade at all. Not a bad trade. Your paid data connection with the new Ninja Trader is always looking different. I mean, everyone's charts is going to be a little different. It's like right now I'm connected to Ninja Trader, Continuum, and Rhythmic. That's why I always ask. I don't know if I need. I know I don't need to connect to both, but I wonder if that's maybe a reason why my chart might sometimes look different. Man, but now I'm thinking, why didn't I just sell? Why didn't I just sell at that top? It looked like a top. Just because it looked like we had this clear trend up, break, new high. It didn't. When you have this on your chart, that does not look like a sustainable uptrend. Does not look like a sustainable uptrend. If you're counting from this low, it's also a first entry short, second entry short. That should have failed, and it's a double trap at the top. This bar, it's way too far away from the EMA. So when we had the double top, honestly, not a bad aggressive entry. I told you it would reverse there, Rev. Oh, are you talking about right here? I'm saying we're still going down. I'm not convinced that we're going up at all. I'm saying we're going down to the lows. I'm saying we're going down to 41.80. Remember what I say, man. I have a crystal ball. Don't doubt me. Eventually, we will go down to the lows. But this is not financial advice. It's only entertainment. I'm an entertainer at the end of the day. Johnny Soko watching 41.84. Yeah. So see, Johnny's saying the same thing. He's saying we're going down here. Johnny, I don't know if you were watching the last 5 minutes. I called this as a top because I was using my ICT knowledge. Because I gotta stop. I gotta stop repeating the same thing now. But yeah, I think we're going to the lows now. But honestly, I said if you're gonna go short here, risk only like 2 points. Go short to 41.96. Risk up going up to 41.98 wouldn't be a bad trade at all. You can ride it all the way down to here. When that was happening, honestly, I shouldn't have been joking around. I should have just done it myself. And now, I mean, we're trying to bounce here, but I don't think there's any real reason that prices would go up from here. I think it's bound to trade down to the lows. Whether it's you could have entered a trade there, but it's not your plan. Do you have a reversal strategy or focus on second entry? I mean, the reason that I was thinking about going short there is because, I mean, it was part intuition, yeah, I do sometimes take those trades just because we had this clear trend up. We had a break. We reached a new high. So in my strategy, once we have a break and a new high of an uptrend, we should look for the market to reverse. So I really, if we went down and had a lower high, I was looking for a lower high, but because it is more aggressive just picking a top here. But when I see a structure like this where we have like we're gonna break new high, there's really no clear uptrend in place anymore. Like it doesn't look like a solid healthy uptrend at all. We could have kept making a few more legs higher, but as Grandpa Roger's saying, if you risk it for the biscuit, sometimes you get rewarded. But also, Johnny, I mean, when you see a bullish bar like this above the EMA, when there's no real reason to keep going long unless we have a pullback, and then a bearish bar double top at that same level, I was expecting at least to come back down to the EMA. Yeah, exactly. So it was very, very small risk. Very small risk. I should have just taken it. But yeah, whether that's ICT knowledge or just like intuition of the markets, experience, let me know. It is whatever you want to call it. Johnny got 5 points off the news. There we go. Johnny, I don't know if you remember, but I think on Friday, when I ended the stream, what time was it? It was probably around 8:30. I think you were in a long, right? Did you end up having a nice trade Friday? I'm pretty sure you said you were in a long and market kept going higher and higher and higher. I'm pretty sure you had said that, Johnny. But who knows? Every futures and trading view is 10 minutes delayed. Man, that's why you don't use trading view. Unless you do capitalize on that and then know where the market's going to be headed. Okay, could be having a triple test here. Oh, you have to pay the premium membership for TradingView. There we go. TradingView works fine for forex. I've never used TradingView. You know what I did use for TradingView was just crypto. When I was a wee crypto trader. Just to give me some charts. Some chart analysis. Oh damn, we got 31 votes in that poll. Not bad. We got 31 votes and we only have 32 viewers right now. Alright, I like the activity. There we go. Good morning, one stop. Gonzalo says nice bullish bar. I would be hesitant to go long right now. Yeah, I used to use Thinkorswim too. Thinkorswim not bad at all. So yeah, if you went short up here, 41.96, what I would have done, I would just put my stop one tick above here, 41.92.25. Could have got like 4 points at least. Or more. Moo moo. Mega. Mega. How do you have that little check mark? How you doing, Mega? How you doing, man? Oh, damn, what a beast. Ooh, 291,000 subscribers? Are you a pro trader or a professional Fortnite player? We had another Fortnite player in here a couple weeks ago. Jacob. You know Jacob? With 3 B's? Man, you're a beast. Are you with FaZe Clan? You're getting into trading? Alright. Wait, do you know Jacob? Oh, you don't know him? Man, it's like, why are all these Fortnite players trying to get into trading? Makes sense though. I was DMing Jacob on Instagram because he said he would hook me up with the guy that does his thumbnails. Can you let me know who does your thumbnails, Mega? How do I get the hookup? I want us to have some good animated thumbnails like that. Dan, what's up? Thomas Williams, how you doing? Mr. Thomas Williams. Man, Mega, you a beat. How old are you? Mega? Starting young. $18? Oh, damn. Okay, you got a manager and everything. You're smart guy. 18? Alright, you're starting young. If you stick with it, I mean, don't go putting all your money into it and right away. If you're just starting out, either start sim trading or trading with like very, very little risk, just to have some emotional attachment, because it's a lot different paper trading versus having a little bit of money, little skin in the game. But in terms of actual trading method, yeah, what a time to be 18, honestly. If you're starting out 18 and stick with it, say you stick with it for like, say you're not even profitable for like 3 years. You're only 21 and you say you do stick with it every day, learn more and more, trade every day, study the charts, analyze the charts, get in tune with the market, the psychology of it. And on top of that, obviously the chart reading skills. Once you pick a method, stick with it and stick to a set of rules. Once you find a certain method you like, stick to a set of rules. Try to follow those rules as much as you can. But yeah, if you're 18, you got time. I mean, I'm 23, I got time too. But I mean, once you start trading, you can get impatient. But I mean, that's part of the game. You just gotta balance that. Balance that impatience, and yeah, as Rev is saying, the psychology is everything. Your daily habits. I think this is the most important thing, honestly, that people don't realize. Your daily habits every single day when you're not trading, they're gonna affect everything you do, whether it's during your trading, outside of trading, whatever it is. Like, these things add up. Whatever you do, it just accumulates over time. So pay attention to those habits. It's whatever you do outside of trading in your life is going to affect your trading in terms of how quickly you want to buy that button, how quickly you react to the market, how calm and relaxed you are. how much your heart rate will race when you have a losing trade, how you'll react to a losing trade, how you'll react to a winning trade, everything. Yeah, you've been learning the basics and then you're getting into paper trading. Yeah, sounds good, sounds good. And take your time, take your time. And yeah, once you find a strategy that's worked for X amount of people, study that, and it does take a while to learn certain chart reading skills. And you might feel like every trade you take should be a winning trade. But at the end of the day, no strategy is gonna be 100%. Yeah. But I mean, hey man, you're already successful. You already know how life works. You already know. I'm sure you've been through a ton of ups and downs with your Fortnite career, but you've stuck with it. And now, sheesh. Do you live stream too? Or you just post videos? Or are you a streamer? FaZe Mega. Damn, you're a beast. FaZe Clan. I heard there was some drama with the FaZe Clan though, with the OG members. I do all of that, not as much anymore. I've been losing passion for Fortnite. Played it for like 5 years. I'm sure, man. I'm sure. FaZe always has some scandal. But yeah, man, I'm sure like you probably grinded at that game day and night. And after 5 years, it could be, yeah, it's always time for some new endeavors if you're ready for that. FaZe always got something. Valorant, I've heard of Valorant. This market is boring, but we got some entertainment now. All right, Mega, you just earned a follow on Instagram with my 1,400 followers versus your 836,000. Damn. This market is boring. Come on now, come on. Now I don't know if we are going back to the lows. Could just be trying to take out the highs, take out the short sellers. But we just gotta let the market come to us. Let the market let us know what's up. But man, it's been over an hour and I really haven't seen one really great setup. I mean, this one up here, that was the only one that I could have taken a chance on maybe. But nothing that's like incredibly high probability. Do I post on Insta? I mean, I post. I only have a personal Instagram, not like a trading Instagram. My personal Instagram is just my name, Munir_Kabara. But I don't have any trading stuff on there. I haven't made a trading Instagram yet. Just a personal one. I mean, yours looks like a little personal Instagram too. I gotta make more posts. My last post was January. Lebanese national champion in the cross country race over there. And yes, Nikki Stonks is saying this is the last day. Last day for Apex, 90% off. So if you guys want to use my code, my personalized code that they gave to me, KEYOWVXY, use it. But yeah, it ends tonight at midnight Eastern time, I think. So we might as well take advantage of that. Nikki Stonks, what are you up to, man? Where you been? All right, and yeah, we took. Oof, now we got some movement. Took out the highs. I'm gonna say our target is honestly 4206. 4206. If it was literally just a midline where the previous high of the range was, could be that we're just trying to work our way up to that 4206 level. But definitely nothing set in stone, nothing too certain at the moment. But even now, like from the lows of the day to the highs, it's only like 18 points, which is not much at all. But if we look at a daily chart, let's see what the next target is. We're basically right at the highs of February 18th. I mean, next intermediate target, I mean, obviously 4,200. So we reached 4199.25. So it's going to be a massive psychological level. But depending if we break that, I mean, shit, could be 4220 from February 14th. That was the high, 4220. But like I said earlier, even though I can predict the future with my crystal ball, I was just kidding, so I don't really know where we're headed right now. Do we short this new high? Johnny, I don't know. Maybe. It's a similar situation to what we had here. If you wanted to pick a top, not a bad spot, but I don't know, the fact that we went down and we were expecting to potentially go to the lows of the days and we got rejected, I'm hesitant to go short now. Okay, Rev is calling 4162, so Rev is saying we're going down. But anything right now is definitely just a prediction. An educated guess. How about that? So yeah, we're working up. We're working up. I don't know if a short is the best thing to do right now. Too many sus bars. Too many sus bars. You know what? Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart. How does that look? Pretty similar, honestly. This is the 1 minute. This is the 2000 tick. So who knows, Johnny? Do we short here? Or do we wait? I'm gonna wait. We're trying to get to the 4200. We're a point away. Well, these aren't doji bars. Yeah, these are sus bars. They're just stacked bars. That's what I say. Stacked. NQ is making lower highs. All right. I mean, yeah, here we made a matching high. So could definitely just be headed lower here. We'll see. All right, peace out, Mega. I appreciate it. I appreciate you coming in. Appreciate that follow on the gram. Hey, we're gonna make it big. I'll tell you that. You're in early on the Mumu Trades trading journey too. So see you on the next one. I'll be streaming every day. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. If you're gonna attain big goals, you gotta have big goals. Only way to get there is by thinking big, working at it every day. Over time, those habits compile. Post on TikTok. You're right. Some shorts, YouTube shorts, TikTok. I don't know. I've been too lazy to make videos like that. I need someone else to make the videos for me. But right now I'm focused on my trading. Secondary, once I make a lot of money trading, then I'll focus on the channel. Yeah, then I'll hire a guy, Johnny. But maybe I will hire a guy, we'll see. Alright, now we're getting a lower high. Now we're getting that lower high. Is it worth it? Is it worth the risk? Maybe. Maybe worth the risk to ride it down to the EMA. I might risk it. I might risk 2 points. The bars are very, very stacked. Yeah, Greg, I honestly agree. I'm just playing my one risky trade for the day. So we'll see. We'll see if it works out. We shall see. I do expect us to go at least down to the EMA before pushing higher though. Can we come down? This one is probably the trap that was waiting for me, yeah. You're right, shit. No, I definitely jumped the gun a little bit. But I mean, let's see. I'll try to get out break even if we can. But yeah, you're right, man. Definitely aggressive, over aggressive. So yeah, bad trade, it happens. Definitely impatient. So each point is $50. So 2 points. I guess I had one tick of slippage though. Let me see. Yeah, there was one tick of slippage. Four ticks per point. Not a good trade. Definitely not following my rules. So the one time you think you could be aggressive comes back and bites you. It's really I mean, there was no real reason to go short or long at that moment. Trying to pick a top. But I mean, I was okay with it. Like I knew going into it, it was risky. So I'll bite the bullet. Move on to the next. You know what? Might be having a uptrend like that. No biscuit for me. Honestly, nah, I'm freaking pissed that I did that. But yeah, sometimes you get that itch, Richard. But that's why trading is about not ever getting any sort of itch. You don't even want to have an itch. You just want to only be calm. Like it should be relaxing. Okay, I'm gonna take this trade because I know it's following my rules. I know that I'm confident in the trade. This time, I knew it didn't follow my rules and I broke it. And I usually don't do that. So it happens every once in a while. No trader is gonna win every time. But the fact, I mean, I literally even said a few minutes before, that's where the psychology comes into it. Before this trade, I was literally saying, okay, yeah, I wouldn't take a short right now. Short's definitely risky. If you pick the top here, we should have kept going down to the lows of the day. I ignored all that. Picked the top, got burned. That's what happens. But this sort of structure, this sort of uptrend that we're just creeping up, it resembles what we had last week a couple days, where we're seemingly not in any sort of a big uptrend, and then it turned out that we were really in a massive uptrend. There's a lot of liquidity below those two ranges that formed. The previous low wasn't taken out. Yeah, we couldn't break 4187.5. Yeah, we just got to play what the market gives us. Play what the market gives us, man. So yeah, in my eyes, it really just seems like we're taking out stop after stop, working higher. We could have, I don't know, it's hard to tell how many pushes we're really gonna have, but I knew I shouldn't have taken a short here. After we bounced here, kept going up. It happens. But we don't cry. We get back up to the next one. Still have that confidence that we'll be in the green. We'll be in the green. Come on now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make it happen. That's what I like to hear, Ivan. Golden State Warriors are going to win the chip. Yeah, but I want to make some money to where I can go get some tickets and go to the game. That's what I'm trying to do. The crystal ball lies. But not really. The crystal ball, I literally said, no, I wouldn't take a short here. I don't know what I was thinking. It's honestly probably your guys' fault that I'm live streaming. Johnny was like, oh yeah, the NQ's making lower highs. So in my head, I was like, oh, lower high here, let's go short. But nah. It's all on me. It's all on me. But that's why every week, start of a new journey. Every day, starting fresh once again. What game? I mean, I want to see LeBron versus Curry in person. That's what I want to see. Two legends, two titans. Going back and forth. All right, now we're pushing down. So who knows? Will we bounce at this at the bottom side of this channel? Really not. I mean, this isn't proven at all in terms of the top side. We have three, but really more than three bounces at the bottom. We'll see if we come back, test that level. See if we come back. We're just bouncing around 4,200. All right, what will we get? What will we get? Okay, so we could be getting a lower high here, but once again, I feel like it would be jumping the gun to go short just yet. So I'm gonna stay patient, wait for that good setup. Could get a higher low if we come back above the EMA. But we might just be trying to get to the bottom side of this trend. Now let's see how this bar closes. Will we push above the EMA? We might. I'm gonna take this. See if we can break above that bar. Get filled on a limit order. Okay, we ticked on the order. Will we get filled? Will we get filled? Indeed we will. Alright, let's see if this one will work out in our favor. Or did we get trapped? Come on now. Come on now. We have a ton of support at this level. It's a first entry long, second entry long. Also, if it's a trading range, we broke out the bottom. We had a higher low. Bullish bar. I do like this trade. Let's see if we can work back up. Get a scalp. Let's see. Come on now. But we might just be trying to get to the bottom side of this trend. We'll see. Man, did we get trapped twice in a row? Did that really just happen? Is it really gonna happen? Alright, we're one tick away. Damn. Alright. So we did have this leg down. Now we had the break, new low. So that's definitely what I ignored. Once again, we'll move on to the next. Hey, man. If you have some losing trades, Tone, man, you can't let it affect your attitude. But I do, with my rules, I like to respect these short-term trends. In this case, I didn't. So we had this nice leg working down. We had a break, new low. Now it's probably safe to start thinking long. So I didn't follow my rules once again. Yeah, you gotta be a good loser. Everyone's gonna have losing trades. Sometimes you have 2 losing trades in a row. It happens. Hard to tell what's gonna happen now. Do we push lower or do we have some pushes up? We shall see. I mean, this is a psychological game. It'll play some tricks on you. It'll whipsaw you. Gotta just stay the course, follow the rules. Cause I mean, I'm only trying to do things that are gonna help me in the long run. Having a bad attitude isn't gonna help anything. Alright, now your rules are at play on daily chart. Missed a 8 move. Alright, Rev, you missed a 8 risk reward move earlier because you want to secure your 14% payout. Might need to go for a run. Hey, man, whatever it takes, whatever it takes. Your rules are at play on the daily chart. Yeah, so could be a point where we start moving down. Let's analyze this. Let's analyze this chart. We are making higher highs, higher lows, or we have been. So we had this leg up, break, 2 legs to a new high. Now we're going lower. Now we're going lower. Of course. Let's see if this is the range. Might just be like this. So man, this would have been a nice reversal. If you went short here, man, that was the trade. That was the trade to take. Yeah, head and shoulders. And we're quickly moving down. Damn, Gonzalo, nice trade, nice trade. 5 points on that. Rev, what are you calling? You're calling like 4160? Alright, peace, Gonzalo. Have a good one. Argentina. Oh, 82. 82 is your target. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think we're at this point, we've traded below these lows. An obvious target is, yeah, right around 41.82. But man, 2 trades. 0-2, man. Come on, bruh. Come on. We better than that. Man, but I don't know how many setups we're gonna get anytime soon. Might just come back for the afternoon session. What are your general trading rules when it comes to profit for day trades for the day? I don't have any rules when it comes to that, like a certain target or certain loss when I stop trading. It's really just intuition based. The only rule I have is I try to stick to my rules as much as possible. Honestly, both these trades didn't follow my rules. That's why in the long run, you just stick to your rules, you're gonna be solid. Here, I ignored this leg down. This one, I knew I shouldn't have even been going short at that point. But it happens, it happens. So it looks like we're having a hidden second entry short here. We got a leg down, one leg up, slight break, another leg up. Second entry short, hidden second entry short. So not a, I mean, potential short entry, but I don't like taking a trade where we have two conflicting bars right before it. Like we have two nice bullish bars right before the bearish one. We might have another push up before going down, unless we just keep making lower lows. And we are doing that. Come on, man. Two bad trades. Gotta write some notes for myself in my notebook. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. If I can find my notebook. Gotta respect the short-term trends. Respect the short-term trends. It's such a strong leg down. Should definitely waited for a break and a new low before thinking going long. Would have kept me out of this trade. This one, we all know that was picking a top. Trying to find reversals is never a good idea unless it's part of your strategy. Yeah, no, I do look for reversals, but I only take them when they're great setups. Like here, there was no reason to even think the market was reversing. I mean, we're too stacked up to even take a trade there. The trade to take was this short where I got trapped. That was a reversal to take. It was a second entry short and a failed second entry long. So it was new high, first entry, second entry, failure. Counting from this low, we went up, first entry, we went up again, second entry short, nice bearish bar. Now we all know what happened after that. It does happen, it does happen. Alright, come on, come on. Now the market is moving slow. Alright, let's see if we get any good setup. Come on now. Rev still saying we're going to 41.82. I'm saying the same thing. I'm saying we're going down as well. All right, come on now. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Are we gonna get a test at the EMA? Chance to go short? All right. We're trying to go up. We're trying to go up. Can we get that pullback? Okay, so new low, one leg up, first entry short. If we get another leg up, test at the EMA, another bearish bar, I'm looking to take that. But once again, we had this short-term leg up. We have a break. We're trying to make a new high. Hopefully that new high is touching off the EMA and we have a nice bearish signal bar. If this is one leg down, two legs down, takes us right to the lows of the day. So yeah, Richard, do we take this second entry short? It's not quite touching the EMA. Bars are a little stacked. It's also a first entry long, second entry long failure. But the bars are a little too stacked. Bars a little too stacked. EMA riding top of micro down channel. Yeah, I want to see another test at the EMA. That'll be nice, and it'll be a double trap if it happens, because we got the second entry short, new low went up, first entry short went up again, second entry short trigger now. If we come back up, it'll be a failed second entry short, but then if we reverse back down, it'll be a trap of that. And that'll be a nice little momentum swing, hopefully get us down to the lows of the day. But if it doesn't happen, we might just be going down regardless. Okay, so here we could be getting that double trap. We'll see, we'll see. We shall see. Okay, we're at the EMA. Finally had that new high of this leg up. So break, new high. Curious to see what happens with the next bar though. So it could be that double trap we were looking for. All right, let's see. Do we get a nice short entry? Doesn't seem like it. All right, honestly, I'm gonna end the stream right there. Go take a break from trading. Go clear the mind a little bit. See y'all tomorrow. I'll let you guys know what happens the rest of the trading day. Hopefully we make back some of these losses. End up in the green. Usually it's usually what happens on these type of days after I'm done streaming. But have a good one. Peace out. See y'all tomorrow.